This air fryer might be the best appliance you ever buy. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here with this. Let me take the top off here. This is the Cosori TurboBlaze 9-in-1 6-quart air fryer. And 6 quarts, a pretty hefty size. Let me open up and show you. There is a lot of space in here for food. You can put in multiple items simultaneously and they'll all cook to perfection. It's a touch screen on top, and let me zoom in a little closer so you can see a little bit of the controls. It's really pretty powerful and super flexible. One of the most important features is it has what they call TurboBlaze technology, which gives you 5 speeds of fan. It's a 3,600 RPM fan. And you're thinking, a fan? Why do I need a fan in a fryer? Now, understand, this is not an oil fryer. This is an air fryer. It's a totally different idea, and it is, 100% more healthy for you. So instead of cooking things in oil and having them soak up the oil, this basically uses air to circulate the heat. So it's a very even heat, like the perfect oven. But it works really fast and it can go to really high temperatures, and it'll cook things like you won't even imagine the kind of stuff you can cook in this. I'll tell you, my favorites are things like warming up tater tots or French fries, and warming up old pizza is fantastic, but you can cook with it. In fact, it comes with this really nice cookbook that's worth looking through. In a second, I'm going to show you couple of recipes I made out of there. But while we're looking at paperwork, I should also say, comes with a user manual, and there is an app, but honestly, it's an appliance. Do you really need to get the app? That's up to you. It does have even more recipes, but let's get back to specs. So 3,600 RPM fan gives you 5 speeds of air. That gives you 4 turbo modes. They call them air fry, roast, broil, and frozen. And its temperature can go from a low of 90 degrees, all the way up to 450, which gives you a bunch more modes too, hence that 9-in-1, right? So it can defrost, it can proof if you're making bread, it can dehydrate, you can bake, you can reheat, you can keep warm. There's a preheat cycle here, which is pretty darn important for cooking. And it's a 6-quart basket. Not only that, but when it's cooking, it's pretty quiet. It's only 53 decibels or a little less, even at the maximum highest fan. Now, I'll tell you, on the back, hot air comes out of here. So you definitely want to not have this put flush against a wall. That is dangerous. But I find that I want to have it where there's a lot of air around it. So having it on a counter is kind of perfect. And it really is pretty darn easy to work with. So let me actually jump in and show you a couple of recipes that I made. First off, the cookbook actually tells you can make hard-boiled eggs. I was intrigued, so I put some eggs in and I turned it on at the recommended time and temperature. And sure enough, afterwards, I had to put it in an ice bath, as you do, to stop the cooking on eggs. And then I peeled them with some mixed results, but here's what I got. So this is hard-boiled, well, maybe medium-boiled eggs out of the air fryer, no boiling required. And then I said, oh, you can cook corn on the cob in an air fryer. How fun is that? So I made some cayenne pepper corn on the cob. Again, super easy. Just put it in, punch in the right temperature and the right time, and it's done. Then I decided, all right, let's actually go a little bit more complex. And I made panko breadcrumb chicken nuggets, and they actually they came out so good that this is now a new go-to recipe for our family. Super easy. So you have egg for dipping the chicken in, then you actually put the sort of egg covered chicken into the breadcrumbs, you put them in here, you cook them. It really is pretty easy to cook with, I have to say. And because I'm not using oil, it's really, as I said, so much healthier. So these, instead of being cooked in hot oil, were just cooked in hot air. And that gives us obviously 100% less oil, which is great. And the basket and the crisper plate are both dishwasher safe, so it's easy cleanup. So cookbook is definitely a great starting point. It has recipes for fish and beef and pork and chicken and a bunch of vegetarian and vegan recipes. It's even some dessert options, which I haven't tried yet, but I probably will. As I said, it has a really nice LED touchscreen that makes it really easy to work with. And in terms of dimensions, it is a pretty big appliance because it is a 6-quart air fryer. So it is 11.9 by 14.4 by 11.8 inches. It's 13 pounds. It's movable, but it's heavy. And then the basket itself, I'm gonna move the eggs out of the way and probably the corn out of the way and show you. So the basket itself is 9.3 by 9.3 by 3.5 inches deep. If you take this out, you get a little bit more depth depending on what you're cooking, but generally, since the magic of this is that air circulation, that crisper is usually something you're gonna wanna keep in. One of the things I really like about it is just how healthy all the food comes out. If I would have made this in a hot oil fryer, it would have been soaked in oil. But here, we just use that smart turbofan technology, TurboBlaze technology, and it gets nice and hot, and then it circulates that air to make sure everything's evenly cooked. Really easy to work with. One of the things I really like about it is just how healthy all the food comes out. If I would have made this in a hot oil fryer, it would have been soaked in oil. But here, we just use that smart turbofan technology, TurboBlaze technology, and it gets nice and hot, and then it circulates that air to make sure everything's evenly cooked. Really easy to work with. The basket and the crisper plate, let me move the eggs out of the way. So the crisper plate is this piece, and this are both dishwasher safe, so cleanup is super easy. Like I said, cookbook, quick start guide. There's the app you can check out. It's really everything. All this food is just beckoning. I really want to just have some. But we do need to talk about the price. And before we get to the price, we also need to talk about you subscribing to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for notifications. Give me a thumbs up if you found this of value, and I certainly hope you did. Excellent. This is the Cosori TurboBlaze 9-in-1 6-quart air fryer, and it is $119.99, currently discounted down to $89.96 at Amazon.com. At either price, this is a wicked good improvement to your kitchen, and the more you use this, the more you realize how amazing it is. It's really a terrific appliance. All of my kids now have air fryers, and in fact, I think they all have Cosori air fryers. And it's because they come over to my house, they use my air fryer, and they're like, oh my God, this is so helpful. So I have created a cult, and you can be part of it too. That's what I got. I'm going to eat now, so I hope to catch you in my next video.